everyone, my name is Thiago from Spotahome, Valencia. Today I am in a 2 bedrooms apartment right in Russafa neighborhood. So this apartment is in the 2nd floor and it's very big. The room that is available to rent is also very big. This apartment is to share with the landlady who lives in. So now I'll show you everything. So here is the entrance of this apartment, and then from here we have this very big open space. So here's the kitchen, here we have a dining area, and then we have this very big living room. So I'll start here in the kitchen. So here, as you can see, we have these very big windows that goes to the street, and this is the view. So we have a supermarket right in front. We have also lots of cafes, bars, and things to do around. The connection with transport is very easy also. So here we have this place to put some sauces and everything, and here is the kitchen part. So here we have a stove, we have the oven, we have a washing machine, and this is the tumble dryer. So here we have all the kitchen utilities you need because the landlady lives here. So here we have the microwave, we have a toaster, and we have this table over here with some chairs, and then we have the sink, and then this is the kitchen. So the nice of here is that when you are in the kitchen, you can see the dining area. So here we have this very nice table with this lamp. So here we have 6 chairs around. We have this space over here. This space is dedicated for the person coming to the bedroom to storage food or something. And then here we have this part. So here we have these 2 chairs. We have aircon. So we have here some shelves, and then here is the main part of the living room. So here we have this huge sofa that looks very comfortable. We have this coffee table, we have this lamp over here, and then here we have the TV and also some space to storage things also. And then that's basically it. So over here we have these big corridors, we have some wardrobes here to storage cleaning things, and then here we have the toilet, the bathroom. So here we have some step up, and then here we have the sink, the mirror, and here we have this bath, we have the curtains, and then here we have the shower. So over here we have the bidet, and we have the toilet. So here we have this storage space also, and that is the bathroom. So here's the bedroom number 1, and then this is the bedroom number 2, which is the one that is available. So as you can see, it's a very big bedroom. So here we have a single bed, we have all these shelves, we have this big table, we have this chair, and we have a TV here. And here we have the wardrobe, we have an aircon. Then I'll show you the wardrobe. It's like that, it has a lot of space. And then here in the window, we have the view for the interior patio. So that's everything. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this apartment, and see you in the next one. Bye!